Hello, trading is closed on April 6, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, April 7th, 2021. I can be completely wrong. Trade at your own risk. Please follow the rules of my channel. If you need to contact me, my email is right here. Yesterday's call said there was a pattern with the early high. There it is. Tomorrow also has early high. This is a pattern that tends to drop all day, have a low in the final hour. We said it was likely we'd have a lower close. It wasn't lower by much, but it was lower. During the day, MEJT said all these squiggles were false moves. Price would retrace. In the afternoon, gave a sell signal and an ultimate sell. These just give targets. They don't give entries. We rallied up to support, correction, resistance from the early morning pattern, the lines, and then we dropped, and that's been satisfied. We did hit a new high and closed down. That's a bit negative, but that's not what I consider the most important part of the pattern. Most important part of the pattern was we dropped all day at a pattern which is usually negative, and still we closed over all these lows. So the drop didn't really accomplish anything. Now time doesn't run out too early tomorrow. And if we gap down here under these lows, for example, this doesn't mean anything because tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close. But if we just maintain this at the open, I think the pattern's positive and I think we see higher prices. Tomorrow's pattern has really high, doesn't mean you won't gap down. We had the normal day-long drop from today's pattern, but the drop couldn't manage to close under the lows. It's a bit suspect, but I'm going to take it. Gapping undercutting the low of the day would kill today's bullish pattern, but if that doesn't happen, we should see higher prices, and that's today's call.